Hey there! With a busy schedule, it's really nice to have meals prepared in advance when we're able to. Today, we're going to prepare a really simple recipe, breakfast burritos, and we'll get started by taking a look at the ingredients. We have some potatoes that have been rinsed, cut, and lightly boiled, not overboiled to the point where they're falling apart, but also not undercooked to where it will make it take a lot longer to cook all of these ingredients together. We have some diced jalapeno, some diced ham. The ham can be excluded or substituted for sausage or bacon. We have some onion, minced garlic, eggs, and a handful of different spices. With the spices, you have a lot of flexibility. You can exclude some of these spices if you don't like them, or you can substitute for anything else that you prefer to have. What we have here is chili, powdered jalapeno, cumin, salt, pepper, paprika, oregano, and garlic. Once we're done cooking all of these ingredients, then we'll assemble the breakfast burritos using the tortillas, the cheese, and the mixture that we've cooked. To get started, we'll put some avocado oil in the bottom of the pan or whatever oil you happen to have on hand. We'll get the onions going, and once they're slightly translucent, then we'll add in the minced garlic and the remainder of the ingredients. While the onions and the garlic are cooking, I'm going to start the scrambled eggs in a separate pan just to help speed up the process, and then we'll start incorporating everything together. While the ingredients were cooking, I did put the tortillas in some tin foil and placed it in the oven on the lowest heat setting that we have. It's just a keep warm setting at 150 degrees. If you don't have that setting on your stove, at least keep these out on the counter. Don't put them in the fridge. Keep them out so that they can warm up before you start assembling. To assemble a burrito, we're going to start with the tortilla, add some cheese, add a scoop of the filling, then we'll start folding in the end, the back side, tuck it in, fold in the other end, and roll it over. And once we've assembled the burrito, we can put it into a baggie. We'll assemble the rest of the burritos, and then we can put them into gallon-sized bags to store them in the freezer. Preparing meals in advance doesn't have to be complicated. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again soon.